What's your name and where you from?
Oh, my name is Muhammad Arif Khan and I'm from Pakistan.
Tell us, why are you here today?
Oh, we are gathered here today to protest against niqab bill in NSW.
Is it true that women's niqab is oppressed?
Put it this way, there are more than 2,000 ladies gathered here and you can ask any one of them if they are being forced to wear niqab. I'll vote in favor of this bill. It's all just propagandas, yeah.
But so many countries have already implemented law against niqab,
Which country?
like France.
Oh, we're talking about France, whose president Nicolas Sarkozy's wife and the first lady of France, who was stripper. Sorry to say, not to be offensive, but she's stripper, and you can Google her name and you can see her photos. Look, a man who even who don't care about his own wife, why would he care about Muslim sisters and daughters? A woman body is sacred thing, and it belongs to her. Sadly, in our society, women are being exploited and is used to sell everything from cars to chocolate. Tell me, look at the Zoo magazine and all other magazines on display in every petrol station. Look at the music and video clips. Look at the mass media as a whole and ask, is this the women liberation?
But Australia is a Christian country.
No, Australia's secular democracy, and is a woman covering her head and body something Christian? Is modesty unchristian? Can somebody find me a portrait of Mary, Maryam in Islam, may Allah please with her, not wearing a headscarf? And what about the traditional nuns? Look, the Muslim woman covering herself is a symbol of modesty and chastity. It is a symbol of her commitment to God. It is her own way of saying, my body belongs to me, and no one has right to look at me except who I say, and I will not be used as an accessory for any man, nor will I be used as a marketing tool to sell something. Look, Islam is peaceful religion. We love peace as much as you do or any other religion or nation do in the world. So live and please let live. Okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much. Bye.